Hey, welcome to OAM Garage 2. So glad you're here. So we're going to look at a couple of things that is different, okay? And I'm trying to make this particular person do, but it's going everywhere. I don't know why is it following me? I don't know. Well, it's trying to. I don't get it. I don't know what's wrong with it. Anyway, so I've got a little problem and with what's going on with I don't know. I don't feel good. I don't even know why. Anyway, there's something going on. I'll get back with you in a minute. Where'd you go? Here I am. Alright, so what we're going to do here, I don't know if it's going to follow me or not, honestly. I hope it does. Alright, so what the biggest problem that I have is that these. Okay, the problem is these two back tires that actually used to be on the front. There are some old wheels that I had to sand down. In fact, I had some of the one of my shows that showed me doing this was I cleaned up the wheels and painted them, and then I took them to a used tire place, and he was going to well, I bought 4 tires, used tires, and had them mounted. Well, the biggest problem has been is these two back wheels now won't hold air because I guess the rims, honestly I don't know why. The front one has, however, held air. Well, that did follow me, but the back one has not. So what I've decided to do is that I'm going to put extensions on here. And then I bought this thing here from Temu, just like that thing that's supposed to follow me around, which is supposed to be good. Everybody else that I saw had one. Mine seems a little jerky, however, that one was like $8. So I figured it'd be worth for have something to follow me around. See what I'm saying? Alright, but it is kind of jerky. Anyway, this thing here is supposed to Okay, so this was like $19 I think or something, but it's battery you recharge it. So anyway, I'm going to try it. I went to these are the little air extensions. They're steel extensions. They're steel. So I'm going to put these on here and do this number here. Okay, and then I'm going to take this, put this here. Okay. Alright, now I'm going to come here, put this on here, and there we go. Alright, so there we go. Alright, so let's do the same thing at the front. This one doesn't need air, however, but I'm going to do it anyway. Well, I say I am. And I got these extensions from O'Reilly's, and they acted like they weren't sure what I was talking about. Okay, let's put the knee into it. There we go. All right. Got my pants dirty. Alright, well, alright, so let's that's good. Alright, let's go to the other side, see if this works out. You here? Huh? Oh, okay, alright. Alright, so I'm going to take this one, put this one on there. You still with me? Yeah. Alright, we're going to put this one on here. Okay. This one's not as flat, I don't think. Hey. Yeah. Okay. Alright, while that one's going on, go ahead and put this one on. Alright, let's see. Now what? Okay, here we are. Alrighty. That's pretty good. Alright. There we go. So, actually I think this thing here is pretty good. So I got this, I got you, you're still following me around. That's good. Pick this up. Alright, So, can you see me? I hope you can. Let's see if I can pick you up a little bit and see if you can. I'm over here. All right. Well, all right, fellas, that's going to be it. That's all I wanted to do today. The weather has taken a big turn. I think it's like almost 70 degrees now. I think it's about 2:30 in the afternoon. So this is all good. Like I said, this thing, I think it was around 19 bucks or so, and it seems to do a really good job, and that did not take long at all to fill that tire up. Yeah, so, all right, fellas. Well, look here. I just feel like I need to tell you that God loves you. And why don't you do something this week that shows him that you love him back? Okay? All right. Hey, look here. I will see you Thursday maybe, and let's see what happens to P-Roy. He can't be real smart for acting like he's acting. I don't know what got into him. So I'll see you then. Y'all have a good week. Love you.